Okay, well, this is a 2019 video that you guys will see on how to make a YouTube channel in 2019 because there's a lot of videos out there that they say 2019, but they're actually other years. And YouTube has changed so much since then, since 1 year ago, since months ago. So it keeps changing. So this is the most recent way how to make a YouTube channel. We just made this YouTube channel, so if you guys would like to subscribe, we're gonna be adding different type of videos on how to do different type of things, how to make extra income, how to make more money in 2019. So if you guys want new items, new videos, don't forget to subscribe. And well, let's go forward. I will show you guys how to do this through Safari, but honestly, right now that I was doing the account, I would recommend you guys to do it through Google Chrome. Definitely recommend you guys to do it through Google Chrome and just go forward. In this case, I opened it. Why do I recommend you guys to do it through Google Chrome? This is the reason because I would go to my channel or YouTube Studio Beta. That's where you could edit your account, your YouTube channel, and it wouldn't take us here through Safari, and it would take us more to like the Google account of the new Google account that you made because it's linked to your YouTube channel. So basically, I just made this channel. You guys will try to go to YouTube. Um, there's PewDiePie. So I'll be teaching you guys how to make a successful account, uh, just like those. And rest in peace, Nipsey. And well, let's go forward into YouTube Studio Beta and how to edit it. Go into settings, the channel, how you want your channel to appear. If you want to change this, you gotta go into your Google account right here. And now this is the good thing about Google through Google Chrome, that you could edit this. You could in this case I put first name how, last name can I, tutorials slash tutorials, and you could put a nickname and you could choose how you would like your name. So in this case, if I put a nickname, etc., you could change that. So that's a nice way to change it. And in this case, you have to change your picture. So you have to upload a picture. I'll teach you guys how to do that too. If you guys want another video of that, let me know in the comment section. And I could teach you guys how to make a picture, a channel picture, because it needs to be in a certain format, in a certain size. In this case, this picture needs to be in PNG format for it to be able to download, because I would upload it in JPEG format and it wouldn't upload. So let's see, let's try to upload one in JPEG. Let's see, in JPEG. Let's save this one. Let's see if it lets you. Oh, well, it did in this case. So you could just fix that. It could be in JPEG or PNG. Sorry about that. And this case, we did this with my wife. So you guys will be seeing different type of videos on how to do things, how to open a Mercury account, a Shopify account, how to sell on eBay, how to sell on Amazon. So yeah, just subscribe to our channel. And well, now that you change this, you guys could go into your YouTube channel. Great advice that I could give you guys is to try to put a nice picture. You go here, and in this case, you gotta upload a picture. How to create a YouTube channel, a channel art. Sorry, you gotta use this max file size, 6 MB, and this is the pixels that you need to use. You could use Photoshop, or in this case, I use Photoshop 2019, and yeah, you could just go into your pictures this case I added all these. You could add more if you would want. Go here, background. I was trying different ones because in this case I was trying another quick advice, trying to give try to make this fit better. Let's go here and I'll show you guys real quick. Your photos, I will use this one. Let's say this one. I will use that one, and look how it would look here on the mobile, on the desktop. So you would try to adjust, and it would be so hard. So I had to go into Photoshop. If you guys want to, like I said, a video of a detailed how to make a picture for your background, let me know in the comment section. And if we get more than 1,000 likes on this video, we'll definitely do it for sure. I mean, hopefully we see the support from our subscribers, and hopefully you guys like our content. So we've been helping a lot of YouTubers gain more than 1,000 subscribers now that it gets harder for it. So we'll be helping out more people and just helping out the community, being more transparent than other YouTubers that don't show very much. We'll be here dedicating to you guys, and hopefully it helps for you and to starting this journey. That is pretty fun, to be honest. It's really nice to have a YouTube channel and just try to be out there transparent with the people that you like, and create a fan base. So we go again here. It just and it affects. So in this case, I had to go into I had to edit it and make it smaller. As you guys could see, I made this smaller. Usually it was this big. All this picture was this big, so I made it smaller. I made the size 1560 pixels, and just this one smaller. So if you guys want a video on that, let me know. I mean, we're here to help. So I went like this. I don't know if you guys could see this small kind of rectangular shape. That right there, you could choose where you want your picture to be. So now you guys could see it looks a bit better now. And select, and there, look, it even looks, oh shoot, where's the eye? How can I? Where is it? We need to fix that real quick. So yeah, giving you guys advice, quick advice on how to, and detailed especially. I mean, it could be quick but also detailed. And going real quick onto it, adjust and crop. Okay, and the eye right there, at least a little bit. Let's see how it is. A little bit better now, but we could work on that later. Like I said, this is a brand new channel, so go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and let us know what you guys want to learn about. Also, how to monetize it, how to open an AdSense account, and just find different ways to make this channel, your brand new channel, succeed. So here we go again. Let's say that we're opening a brand new account. I'll show the process real quick for you guys. So we're gonna open a new one, use another account, and create account for myself. First name, let's say how to channel, something like that. And then how to tutorials. An example real quick, you just put you could if you already have a Gmail, oh, in this case you need to make a Gmail. So how to tutorials And then next, oh, let's put 2019. Oh wow, 20,000. There it is. Now you put your number, recovery email. You don't need to put that. Your date of birth, gender, male, female. Rather not say. This YouTube channel thing is pretty self-explanatory, but it has changed so much from, let's say, 2010, 2015, 2018. So this is the best way if you guys want to make a channel. I hope it wasn't confusing for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. So let's say you put male, month, and you need to put a phone number. Or you don't have to. Let's say 20 1990. So basically there you made a new channel. Giving it some time. There we go again. My channel, YouTube beta. Haru channel. And well, we just made this one. Here it is, my friends. Hope you guys enjoyed. And well, let's go again real quick to here. You change your channel information if you want. You put keywords on people to find you. Very easy, my friends, but it is complicated if you guys don't see a video. Hopefully it helps. Channel branding, you could put a watermark for people to follow you. Let's say you want to put this one, and you put that. And this will show on the right side, or you could choose, let's say, 25 seconds from that time. Advanced. And later on you'll be able to add analytics, also add monetize it. So if you guys want more different videos, let me know what type of videos you guys would like. We'll be adding 5 videos every week, sorry, for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, recommend to your friends. We all want to make that YouTube channel and just have memories, or try to build a fan base on your content for YouTube. Come on, let's help each other. So share to your friends if someone wants to know, or save it if you guys later on want to see. Take care, subscribe, wait for our next video. See you later.